I'm your friend Rani Subramanian. Once again, welcome back to Kesaria Textile Manufacturers. I hope all is safe and doing great. One friend is standing along with me. Hello, say hi, hello to customers, your friends all are. So watching here the only cotton fancy saree. She's wearing such a beautiful cotton. This is a Ari work. Camera, please come forward. There's a Ari work, very pretty color saree, which is a handwork with a piping work. These are all digital printed based cotton printed fancy saree. So these kind of sarees also you can purchase. In this counter, I want to show you Gadwal cotton, Dola cotton, Chanderi cotton, copper border sarees, printed come fancy sarees, and embroidering work based sarees, linen saree, khadi saree. So much of many more collections. And today what we are going to see? Yeah, today I am going to show you printed saree with sequence border. These sarees are coming in Dola cotton. These Dola cotton sarees are around 300 rupees, I can tell you, at the factory price. To know the actual price, take a screenshot. Numbers are scrolling on the screen. You can quickly contact and you can purchase. Subscribe the channel. Quickly, these cotton printed come Dola sequence sarees, you can add into your business to make your customers happy. So Dola cotton, I'll share. Most of the saree code is Dola cotton. So first pattern, the light English color, very pretty color with the grey color and the dark navy blue. Grey color combination, you can see a floral based, and the sequence which I told you, this is a sequence border. Okay, this is a sequence border. Dola is the code, which is a with blouse. With blouse, it comes around. This is the blouse part, which is a light settle color, and this is the pallu. Totally contrasted printed come this border sarees with the sequence. Now I'll come to next saree, which is a Rama green, very pretty saree. In this you can see lovely leaf printed, beautiful stylish leaf printed saree. The body part is white color based, Dola is the code, and you got a mini square butta print is a running blouse with a mini border. You can see this saree is a Rama green with beautiful lovely cotton. Next saree, which is a lavender color. In this you can see the unique print of lavender with one of the beautiful, and this is a sequence border. Every saree today I brought for you printed come sequence, and this is a beautiful curving circle which has been given here, curved circle butta, mini printed with the lavender shade. This is also one of the pattern. All these printed come sequence work sarees are very pretty, especially for the working woman, teachers, private sector ladies, comfortable to wear for the two-wheeler, bus traveling, metro, local trains when you travel from the south. These kind of sarees are very pretty for the south based. One is the saree which is white color, which is a waves pattern, and there's a rangoli pattern print. This is a beautiful pallu with the sequence work. In this also you got a lovely printed saree. Next pattern, colorful saree. This is a colorful saree which is a batik print. Batik print 1 2 3 1 2 3. The beautiful printed come this batik, and batik print of peacock blue, which is a blouse, running blouse, mini border, the sequence work. All the printed come sequence work sarees are very pretty. These sarees around 300 rupees, I'm telling you. There's actual price to know. You can take a screenshot. Numbers are scrolling on the screen. You have a sales executives to show you with the video calling purchase. This is also very pretty. One of the peach color with the onion pinkish navy blue. Dola is the code with the one of the floral base. This kind of sarees also you can purchase. This is the light white color floral print with the running blouse. Next saree, which is a mehendi green with the purple color, coffee, chocolate color combination, the floral garden, which is a mini sequence work with a beige color border. So this is one of the combination. This is a sequence work. So all kind of sequence work border come printed sarees I've showed you. These all varieties are very pretty. Below around 300 around you can purchase. When I talk about the Dola cotton sarees, we have all come Dola 6 colors, 5 colors, 4 colors you can purchase. Every saree you will have a photocopy. No doubt you have a multiple varieties of pure cotton sarees. So please visit, and I want to share you one important note. Kesaria Manufacturers is shifting, relocating to nearby to very railway station, which is Doriwala Square building, opposite to railway station, near to Mohan Sweets. The soon you cross the railway station, you can visit Kesaria. That's the way. Then it's merely shifting to Kesaria shop. So no need to come down to Kamela. It's very soon it's shifting. So please note down the details. So, and hope you enjoyed this cotton fancy come sequence work sarees. So these sarees you can add into your business, resellers. If you want to have a cotton boutique, you have around 1,000 rupees of collections of sarees, and there is a huge margin in linen cotton, khadi cotton, multiple embroidering saree based digital cotton sarees also. So hope you enjoyed. So subscribe the channel, please share with your friends, relatives, with everyone. Let me know in the comment box from which city you're watching the video. Keep supporting me. Next video we'll meet with new more collections. Until then, take care. Bye bye.